Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's talk about some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And that's just the level where we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the 11.5 cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 11.5, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, when the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no question asked. Again, yeah, staying above 11.5 would be great, but from the big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? If you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure you know exactly where I'm headed with this, but right up there, just shy of 13 cents seems to be where the sellers are hanging out at. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.